Hi y'all, it's me again, Barb from Key West Local Lux, and we're having a little magical marathon of pretty things during ugly times because, honest to God, I am so sick of it. But anyway, so we're not gonna look at ugly things. We're gonna look at some weird things, but they're weirdly awesome. So this is Wild Things inspired by Joan. We love our girl Joan. We love all our girls. So anyway, let me get you over to today's spotlight. Here we go. So today we're going to feature a bunch of things, several short shows, and this is one. And I'm having a lot of fun with this. I love mixing the fine stones with the wild, wacky, and wonderful. So maybe we'll go a little wonky this time, and we'll take it from right to left. And let's see this. Yes, so switching to close-up. Stop pixelating. There we go. Yes, it is true. These are giant Key West rooster earrings. Don't you just love? And most of you probably know that Key West roosters are a sign of a good time. I'll try those on for you in a minute. They're part of our Kitsch Art series. You might have seen in the last video I was wearing a pair of Free to Colo by the same artist. They're fantastic. Most of them are $129, so with the super sale, they're going to be around $65 or less. There are a few that are less, but here there are two pair of the Key West roosters. They're grande and grand, and they're very lightweight, easy to wear, super fun. You can't have a bad time even if you're sitting home by yourself with those. And they look great with just about anything. What don't they look great with? Next up, right beside them, are these fine pineapples. Aren't they so great? And to give you an idea of scale, there's my hand. They're not small, but they weigh nothing at all. And they're super fun. Pineapples are the symbol of welcome, don't you know? And I welcome you to love these. Since we're going backwards today, Simple Pleasures, Howlite Turquoise, and Branch Coral, starting under $50. And many of you are familiar with something that I'm famous for. Famous for lots of weird things, but one of them is my Bad Boy Buddha earrings. Aren't they just a kick? It's one of my most recent pairs with turquoise, Keshi pearls, and several types of turquoise resin and nice big fresh waters. Lightweight, easy to wear. Who knew Buddha could be such a fun time? Going to keep it going around the back and then up front. Look at these honeys. Who wears a good hoop? Besides, I don't know. How about, am I going the right way? Kristen Onderdonk wears a good hoop, I'll tell ya. Robin Whitehead. I know a lot of good girls who wear big, gorgeous hoops. Robin Whitehead, Jenna. Oh yes, there's more to come. These are super lightweight. They weigh absolutely nothing. And they're patinaed brass with new old stock oversized kidney hooks, which I bought hordes of. Love those things. This is the true reason for this show. These Pachyderms. I don't know about anybody else, but I love elephants. Spent a lot of time with elephants. Can you see them? Are we there in the right spot? There he is. This is carved bone, red jasper, and coral, and a mix of metals. This is an artist you've been hearing me talk about quite a bit lately. His name is Harbinder. He's from Delhi. Love this guy. He's great. And I've never seen anybody rock a turban so well in my life. It's impressive, I'll tell you. As a reminder, many of these goodies that are being featured in my little shows here are being featured as a sort of a sneak preview to things that are going on the site. After we take the video and do these Facebook Lives, then they get photographed and uploaded to the website. So these things take a little bit of time. If there's something that strikes your fancy, like these sweet earrings, for example, which also weigh nothing, you're always welcome to drop a question in the comment box. We'll be happy to help you. And for now, everything and anything on the website are half price when you buy 2 or more items. So there will never be a better time to make someone happy, whether it's you or someone else. Boy, girl, it doesn't matter. Lisa Clough, I'm talking to you. Anyway, okay, back to the scene, Billie Jean. This is a carved bone pachyderm with a gorgeous sterling chain, and this is howlite turquoise. And if you think that's wild, well, you just wait till you see some of Harbinder's other pieces. He's got a thing going on. He's probably watching us from Delhi. He does that. This is one of his pieces as well. This is Kingman turquoise. I was just saying, I was watching this show on mining turquoise last night. It was fascinating. That kind of inspired me today. That plus, you know, not being able to actually open my store. It's amazing how I'm suddenly remarkably inspired to make videos. Look at those honeys. Those are patina and paint brass with a lever back. Super easy to wear. The part that goes through your ear is sterling. No worries about any sort of allergies. They're lightweight and just damn good looking, I tell you. We are nearing the end. So I showed you a few pieces from Karaman, always one of our favorites in the last video. And this gorgeous honey, which is actually a collaboration between he and I, was in that mix, but I neglected to show you. This, isn't that stunning? And this is what we call gem grade turquoise. You can tell how solid it is. It's glossy. It is intense. It is not soft and chalky. There's a big difference. That is rhodium washed sterling silver and 18 karat gold. Bezel set. All the links are soldered. Tough as nails, don't you know? And finally, this is a fun little piece. Look at this. It's a ram's head. Who are our ram's head fans? I have these lovelies in several different colors. I love to stack them, and sometimes I even use them as a lengthener for a necklace. Anyway, goodies on this table today. Oh gosh, goodies here start around the $50 range. Several items around like $120, $130. Some a little bit more, but remember, all of them and all the items that used to be in the store, as you can see, it's kind of empty here as we redo things. Anything and everything is 50% off at this time whenever you buy 2 or more items at KeyWestLocalLux.com. I'm Barb. Tim is back there being weird somewhere, and who knows, we might just keep on making more videos. So if there's something you'd like to see, you drop it in the comment box. I'll be happy to oblige you. Okay? Thanks. Oh, I almost forgot. One more ring. Let's do this. I love Can you see that? Can you see him? This is Harry Elefante. He is sterling silver with 18 karat gold, 4 microns thick of 18 karat gold. Whoops, am I going the wrong way? There he is. So he's hand cast, hand enameled. He is an elephant with a ruby yarmulke and a snake butt. Anyone who can tell me why he has a ruby yarmulke and a snake butt will get $50 off. I don't understand it. I don't have to understand things to love them. You know what I'm saying? And I love Harry Elefante. Okay, back to this. I'll see you shortly for the next video. Thanks for watching. Feel free to share it, send it, love it. Okay, bye.